Ah, that's loud. Hold on. Okay. Phew. Oh, my controller's not plugged in. Doi, that'll do it. I was like, why can't they push anything? There we go. Yeah. Plugged in controller. Awesome sauce. Ever wanted to spend an entire year with Mario? Boy, do I! Lucky you! Your dream has just come true. F2 is save? F4 is load? Yeah. Join your favorite plumber on his storyless stroll through the four seasons on this unnamed island. Have fun! I will. I'll have a lot of fun. Oh, I'd like to call it autumn. That's cool. That's actually really cool. Alright. Trying to remember my controls here. Alright. Oh, that's not right. Hold on. That's not correct. Can I pick like my remap file or something? Load Super Mario World. Yeah, okay. Alright. You got a small ass head. We're in spring right now? There are 5 star coins I found. Yep, take them with you. They won't mind. They need to change your scene anyways. Collect all 5 and unlock hidden bonuses. Okay. So it's gonna be different than Mario World? What the hell is that? Because Mario World, they're just an extra life. It's really not worth it. Swing time. Oh, I got him. I was going up there to shoot him. Dang it. I always do that. I repress Y too quickly, and I end up killing the Koopa shell. No, nothing down there. Okay. This has, yeah. That's how I would design secret pipes. I would always have them like excuse me, Mario Maker stages. I would have them something like that, so it's very obvious that they just go all the way down. Hey. This is a very cool world map, dude. Down by the water. Yeah, I'm actually terrible. I need a good traditional Mario ROM hack that has new power-ups and shit. That's really all I need to be happy. Give me some new power-ups, and we're set. See what I... Man, that dude's coming in hot. Okay, dude. There we go. Whatever. Hell yeah. Get up there, Mario. How do I spin jump without killing this guy? I know how. You know what? That's my fault. I assumed you couldn't jump on them for some reason. I never actually tried. Oh well. Oops. Boop, boop. Let me out. I should change my stream information. I'm not playing this anymore. Alright. Why does it look smaller than normal on OBS? Hang on. Hold on. Hit the screen. Oh, it's because it's in a folder. Dude, OBS sucks ass. When you put shit in folders, it starts to freak out. There, it's perfect now. Okay. Hit the screen. And if you would let me move it over. Thank you. Oh my Christ, man. I just noticed. I'm so sorry about that, y'all. There. Now it's actually like gameplay. This guy is huge. I bet there's enough room up there for a whole secret world or something. Do they want me to fly up there with that funny cape? Where's my mouse? There's my mouse. What is this? What is this? Oh, I see. They're like tracks. Whoa. 1 coin? Oh my gosh. You want to move? Oh, I know what to do. So he's over here. Yeah. Oh. Oh, maybe I don't have to go up in the sky there. Green grass of home. Hey, I get that reference. I'm the best, man. That was so good. Oopsies. Is he the next Dark Side Phil? Literally, what was I even supposed to do there? I don't even know. Like, this game's bullshit, man. Wait, so do the coins stay collected throughout? Oh. That's cool. That feels like the end to me. It's not. Alright, so then I will go back to the other stage and get the coins. I thought it was like OG Mario World, where they reset every time. And I was like, yeah, that's not going to be fun, having to collect all 5 in one run. That's kind of lame. But, it's not lame. Thankfully. You know, I thought there might be a cool secret or something down there, but I was not correct. It's a secret world in the sky. Entrances to it, 1 in each season. Got all the star coins yet? The more you got, the more there'll be to explore. Yay. Yeah, you can just jump on these guys. Okay. Alright. Let's go find... Yeah, they do. They do stay. Cool. Good change. If you're gonna have the star coins be important. Yeah, and they disappear from the map. Okay. It's a nice trick shot. Hey, look at that. Oh my gosh. Hello, game Skyper. What's going on, dude? How's it hanging? Die, flower. My sister has friends upstairs and they're loud, but I don't know if my microphone's picking it up or not. That's why I went, oh my god. Big fat. All that theatrics for nothing. Oh yes, I missed this one. Because I thought you couldn't jump on these guys. Alright, cool. Easy money. I will do the secret after we finish this world. Boop, boop. There's a coin up there, I see it. Yeah, shit. What are you? I assume I need... that has like a vine or something. Jump when I jump? Cool. Okay, this time when I throw the damn Koopa shell, I'm not going to kill it instantly. You're not one of the jumping ones. You are the jumping one. Rip to the flower. Oh. Oh. Yeah, whoops. Go. It's scary, man. Jeez. Didn't realize there was a gap. Go. Get out of my sight. So is that just continuing the level? I thought that was like a secret. Oh, that was coins. Okay. I was like, dude, did I just fuck myself actually? Yeah, I thought that was just a secret. I'm all sorts of confused. Go back this way. Alright. Now what was that other section? Whatever. Sound of spring. That's so funny. Ha ha ha. I get it. Spring. This is short Mario phobic, dude. I'll have to come back for that, I guess. Or if I can be blessed. Yeah, I'll just come back for it a different time. Ooh. Do we go all the way back now, chat? I think so. Alright. Never mind. A little too skillful for me to go back. Oh, fuck my life. I just wanted to see if you can spin jump onto these things because... Oh, that's a ceiling. Okay. Did not real. I thought they would jump through. Oh my god. Oops. Keep on bouncing, Mario. Keep on bouncing. Boring. Oh, boring. You spin jump on them? I don't know. Come here. Yes. The door. Oh, there's a box over there. Alright. I see, that's an exit door. Alright. I don't even know what happened there. Fuck. Evil spot for a boo. There we go. Damn, that's only the checkpoint? Shit. You. The Pog ghost. Pog. Oh shit. It's all 5? Alright, cool. Whatever. Hold down. Alright, like a falling stone. T-womps. There's definitely shit up here. I accidentally pressed L2, which is my funny turbo button. Please respawn. God damn it. I missed my flower, dude. I think I'm supposed to go this way. Need those swamps for scissoring, what the fuck? Oh shit. Hold on. Let's get this. Hang on. Yeah, that's fast. Shit. Just because I want to get that coin I assume is over there. And I accidentally wasted the Koopa Shell for. This will just reload the room. Forgot what my rewind key was, so we're just gonna walk back. It's alright. Okay. Can I do that again? Oh, that's a life farm right there. If anyone watching this ever needs it, that's a life farm. You just keep doing that over and over again. It's a downward spawn. Oops. I knew something was fishy. Seems like a shortcut. I actually do the level, it's fine. I like the idea of upward thwomps literally being upside down. It's really funny. Ah, okay, so there's a B-switch thing here. Maybe that wasn't a shortcut, maybe that was the actual secret. Beep. Yeah, it was. Boop. I need a Koopa shell. Is there a Koopa in here? And I'm stupid. Oh, I see. Well, I see what I was supposed to do now. Whoops. We're balling, it's fine. Missing a lot of the coins, dude. I'm not done yet. Probably not a smart idea to kill the the thwomp there, but it's whatever. I can go back this way. See what's on the left here? Or right, excuse me. And this will reload the room. Okay. Okay. Oops. Nice crisp 31 extra lives. That's what we like to see. Ooh, like to see? Excuse me? Oh shit. Alright, now we're ready to go fight the boss. Hell yeah. I wonder who it's gonna be. Could it be Spring Bowser? That's a big thwomp. I did not expect him to do that. He just leaned over. Killed his ass. Later, bozo. Oh. That's the same island. Just a different season. Oh. Wait. Oh, that's cool. You can go just straight back up. Like it's a loop. Not a straight line. Green, green grass of home. Sorry, just green grass of home. Don't want to get in trouble. Oops. I could just feel that there was something up there. I could feel it. shit. I have a plan. Oh, I may not have a brain, but I have an idea. There we go. Oh, I missed one. Okay. I don't know where it could possibly be. Just replay the level. It's okay. Unless? Ooh! I was like, wait a minute. That goes pretty far. Going to Star Road? Alright, I'll save that for the next time I play. Switch over to summertime. Hit a F2. Save. There we go. Just want to make sure. Yay! Alright, yeah, a bit of a short stream today. I'm not really feeling the best.